Hello everyone. So, today is day 6 of 365. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko pang panindigan to. I didn't take a video. Well, I took a video earlier kasi I got a gift from my friend. But it wasn't really that eventful today. Today was supposed to be my day off because I'm gonna work this weekend. This is my weekend duty this weekend. I planned this day off because if not, I'm gonna work straight for 8 days again. And nakakapagod yun. Last year, lagi ko yung ginagawa. Like, I worked 13 days straight, 10 days straight. But ngayon, sabi ko, magda-day off ako. And anyway, I did not take a day off. So, I needed to go outside because I have to get a physical exam and a TB test for work. So, when I went to work yesterday, I was like, because I only had a short day yesterday too. Basta short day yesterday, hindi ako masyadong pagod. So sabi ko, I feel like I can work tomorrow. Kasi lalabas din naman ako ng bahay. So, sabi ko, mag-work na lang din ako for like a short day. So, nag-work ako kanina. I left the house, late na din. Laundry detergent namin, nag-leak siya sa gallon. There's soap on the top of our washer. So, I had to clean it out before I leave the house. And alis na sana ako nang biglang nagdalik yung soap. Anyway, dami sinasabi. Yeah, I left the house like mga 2 to 10. Dumating ako dun sa urgent care ng 10. Medyo matagal yung waiting time. Usually mabilis pag talagang maaga ka. So, kanina, maraming may sakit kanina. At so, natapos ako after an hour. I went to work at 11. I got home mga 5 na kasi dumating ako dito, nag-snacks ako, nag-nap ako, and then dinner time na. Today is not really that eventful actually. That's why I didn't take a video. Tignan natin kung kaya ko talaga itong panindigan. Hopefully tomorrow, maalala ko mag-video. And our plan is to go to the chandelier shop para mapalagyan na namin itong living room namin ng chandelier. At medyo mahal siya. Sakit sa ulo. Anyway, yun lang naman for today. Kaya ko pa ba? Parang wala naman nanonood. Anyway, bye!